This is Minnesota. We're going through winter storm. As you can see, it's a blizzard. Twin Cities, Minnesota. There'll be a lot of accidents today. For some time when it snows like this, people act like idiots. They go too fast and they crash. So you have to be careful. Person right there, she's clearing snow and ice. If you have a home, your own house, the sidewalk is your responsibility to clean up. Remove the ice, otherwise you get a ticket from the city. Driving will be slow on the highways. I'm not driving on the highways, I'm driving on the street here. The wind is blowing the snow, that's why it looks like foggy. That's not fog, just the snow being blown by the wind. It's coming down hard. Probably in the last hour we have like a foot of snow, which is nothing in Minnesota. Just showing you around. Probably not much to see. So you can see what we go through for roughly 5 months. Start snowing in November, goes all the way to sometime April. So it could be 5 months, it could be 6 months. I call it whiteout because everything is white. Slow is dry. Driving is slow. Drive is slow. Again, this is Twin Cities, Minnesota. Going through a blizzard. Leave a comment, let me know if you ever drove in a blizzard or not. I've had so many of these over the years. There's never getting used to it. Just saw a couple of people waiting for the bus at the bus stop. When you drive in winter, even though the speed limit, you don't follow the speed limit, you go slower. Right here it says 25, I'm going 20. There's a baseball field over there and a skate park. If you're familiar with my channel, Jacob and Dad, you see that building right there? That's a bathroom. There's a skate park. It's called Front Skate Park. We've been going there for a long time, since we was 6 years old. So if you're familiar with my channel, you've seen a lot of skateboarding videos. There's an elementary school here. That's the name, Crossroads Elementary School. He has done skateboarding in London, many skate parks in Twin Cities, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and in Sweden. So yeah, that car needs tires. The trends are gone. It's kind of sliding. That SUV in front of me, sliding all over the place. They need trends on their tires. I want to stay a little further from them in case I back up sliding. There's a daycare there. Might not be able to see it. And a small strip mall where it says tobacco. I don't smoke, so I don't advertise. I have a small strip mall right there. This is a very busy intersection here. There's a major street called Dale Street. So this intersection here is very busy. slippery conditions. You can see traffic stretches all the way back there on this street. In part because the road conditions are slippery, and also that light back there where I was stopped takes a long time to turn green for this street. You can see school bus, kids going home in blizzard after school. Leave a comment, let me know if you live in a state where you get snow, or you live in a state or country where you don't get any snow. If you're a driver, also let me know how you feel about driving in the snow in these conditions. It's not too bad, but still. Right now it's 30 degrees. So it isn't that cold. Yeah, 30. In Minnesota we can say it's not that cold. City bus, people leaving work, they call that long bus accordion bus because it's like 2 half buses connected together. There's a garbage huge truck in front of me over there. They collect garbage for recycling. Once again, if you're just joining, this is Twin Cities, Minnesota. Driving in a blizzard, whiteout. A lot of snow getting blown by the wind. That's why it looks like foggy, even though it's all snow, not fog. There's a bar right there and a few cars parked, so people drinking. It's evening, so I guess after work they stop and drink. I wouldn't say get drunk, but whatever. You know, drinking and driving is prohibited by law. And also morally, you should know it's not right. Because if you crash, you can die, which is fine because you chose to drive. But if you crash and kill someone else or injure someone else, that's bad. There's a SA right there, Speedway gas station. I come there quite often. I also have a bank over there. That's also my bank. Gas is at $2.69. Gonna pass this thing. Garbage truck. Those get stuck in snow very easily because they are not all-wheel drive. Alright, this completes my short drive here. Just wanted to share my experience driving in winter storm. I call it blizzard, whiteout. Come back and watch the playlist. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. I appreciate that. Take care. If you're out there driving, drive safely. Peace out.